Woohoo! Go, Chewbacca, the mighty fire truck. Woo! Go, Red! Shh. I'm gonna blow our cover emitter. So sorry. But what's your disguise name? It's Alfonso Rivera 42. Alfonso Rivera 42. Why do you have numbers in your nickname? I don't know, buddy. I'm used to being a spy. Why do so many people in this derby have ends that are facing upwards, that were banged upwards? Because of this. See you later, taco. That's why I always prefer burritos. Look, Ma, I'm flying. No, I'm not flying. Has Superfly taken down the new competitor? No, he's back up. And so Superfly, the new competitor, has taken down Superfly. Only a few competitors remain. Hey, bet you can't catch me. You talk too much. Hi, Mickey Mouse, over here. Oh boy, I'm not going over there no matter what you say. Oh, sorry, Amina. Anybody else want to be beaten? I'm still up. Pushover for once been doing a pretty good job this race. I'm a shark. Okay, maybe he's not. Pushover has been knocked out. It's one-on-one. Think you could beat me up, little fire truck? Only 2 competitors remain. Oh, I'm sorry, 3 competitors remain. You go 2. Now only 2 competitors remain. Oh. It seems like that guy over there is the only other competitor remaining. No, man, I just gotta use the bathroom. I was already knocked out. Wait, what? So who's the only other car remaining? My way. Fritter! It's fritter time. What? Come on, Chewie, you can take him. Yeah, go, Red. Be quiet, Alfonso River 42. Seems like Miss Fritter's taking down the car. Oh, you're coming with me. The new car is unconscious, but where's Fritter taking him? Need to get out of here. Where's the gate? Miss Fritter has broken through the gate. With the new racer on top of her. She's leaving the arena. What's going on? Well, it seems like she's won anyway, but, can't crown her until she returns. Wait, Red? Oh, no. Oh, no. Miss Fritter! Come back! Where'd she go? This is what happened on our first date, too. You 2 dated? Long time ago. Achoo! No, not this again. Lightning McQueen was here this whole time in disguise. How could we all fall for it again? But who's this tow truck with him? I'm Mater! Like Tow Mater, but without the quiet Mater blowing our cover. Oh. He's with some tow truck named, Mater. Alright, guys. Stop this race right now. Where did they take my friend? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Yeah, me neither. I'm Tailgate! And, she told me before the race that, she was gonna take him, all the way to the end of Route 72, and from there take, him to her base, our evil base. Well, thank you, Tailgate. I'm Tailgate! Why did you tell them that? What? Why did I tell them I'm Tailgate? No, why did you tell them where Miss Ritter's gonna take the new guy? I never said anything about that. I just said my name was Tailgate. Oh my gosh, you moron, you fool! We gotta get to red, we gotta get to red! Now, which one of you told me that you like burritos more than tacos? So I'm gonna need to speak with you. I'm Tailgate, be quiet!